Alright, I'm ready when you are.
Okay, we're ready.
Alright.
Yeah, come on, we're gonna play. That's the name of the map. It's Warhawk. It's a town. Warhawk. Back up.
Why don't you
Back up.
why don't you fix him something to eat while we're playing?
Cause he wants French. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you guys play. Yeah,
Yeah.
I got it because he wants French fries.
Okay. Or you can get it set up or whatever.
Ghost. Okay.
Hardcore team deathmatch.
You won't get kicked if you don't spawn in.
Yeah.
Time to work, Ghost Squad.
Yeah, you want to wear these? Come on. Come on. Here, you know something? You want to play me instead of you? Come on. Okay. Put this down. Turn.
We're in the lead.
Uh-huh.
Can you hear Uncle Phil?
Yep.
Hey, Uncle Phil.
What's up, bud? How you doing?
What's up?
Okay,
Good.
Can't run her. You got to sit down.
Okay.
Because you'll pull this out.
Okay.
I hear one of Gina's high. Oh, what?
Daddy, can I change the weapon?
Yeah.
Okay, the next time I die, I'll get it.
Alright, good.
That guy I just placed the guy in the corner.
SATCOM ready.
I just got a guy in the corner of somewhere,
SATCOM up,
and
Lincoln
he
Able.
didn't even know I was there, and I knifed him.
Nice. Good job, bud.
Thanks. He didn't even know I was there anyway.
What the?
Destroy your SATCOM. We're in the lead.
They killed my SATCOM, Gabe. EMT
Yeah,
Bay.
they
FEMA?
stole your MMS, the MMS.
SATCOM ready.
Wait, Daddy?
Guard dog ready.
Look, Daddy, I want to tell you something.
Jesus. Theater.
See, whenever I move the guy on the top,
Friendly
it moves
SATCOM
the guy
active.
on the bottom. Yeah. Daddy, I see a dog. Daddy, I saw GODCYPH the dog. I saw GODCYPH the dog, and guess what?
SATCOM ready.
It's a wolf.
SATCOM uplink enabled.
Daddy, you have a wolf too, and Uncle Phil's dog is really silly.
He's
Because
silly?
He couldn't get whenever he tried to get in, he stopped at the wall.
Guard dog
He
ready.
couldn't get in. He stopped at the wall. Oh gosh, I got killed.
Son of a...
Good job. Good job, GODCYPH.
Thank you.
Oh.
They're trying to shoot my dog, Gabe.
What?
They're trying to shoot my dog.
I know. Did you
Enemy
whistle?
SATCOM spotted.
Yeah, I whistled.
SATCOM ready.
I'm up on the roof. Getting the
Alright.
thing.
Friendly
I'm getting
SATCOM
the
active.
blue floating thing.
Alright, cool.
Oh, I lost it. I bet I got it.
Alright.
Guard dog ready.
I got 3 dogs.
You got 3 dogs?
Yeah, but I can only use one at a time.
Whoa.
Destroy your SATCOM.
What are you looking for?
Trying to get my maniac.
I just saw the guy.
Alright.
And I saw Cause I thought that I didn't even die.
He didn't die?
Nope. I'm getting shot left and right, up and down.
Maniac ready for
Oh,
delivery.
I'm getting shot left and right, up and down.
Left and right, up and down.
Yep. I keep getting shot left and right, up and down. Sorry, I can't see.
Friendly has Juggernaut Maniac armor.
Ghosting has a maniac?
Yep.
What does that mean?
That means I run around and knife people.
Okay. Oh! Did he hit? I see him in the drugstore.
What? I died for like nothing. That is crap. Oh, what? Gabe, stop doing that with the mic.
I didn't. Oh! I killed him myself.
Alright.
With the grenade. With the grenade from the grenade launcher.
Yeah.
That I can't see. Mr. Hustle! Oh, a guy stopped mid-air while I was trying to get the blue loading thing.
SATCOM ready.
Oh, good job. Good job, Uncle Phil.
Alright, thanks, bud.
SATCOM uplink
Welcome.
enabled.
Whoa. Whole thing. For IMF. Following you, Uncle Phil.
It's by the water power.
He's what?
Guard dog ready.
Another dog. I have 4 dogs.
You have 4 dogs?
Yeah.
What? Hey, Daddy, Uncle Phil has 4 dogs. I can't believe that. I didn't know you didn't have those many dogs before.
Yep. Got 3 minutes left, Gabe.
Damn! Oh, IMS!
SATCOM
IMS.
uplink
I
enabled.
got an IMS from blowing up a car on a guy. From the car. The car blew the guy up, so that's how I got the IMS. And I hided it too. Good job. Well,
Maniac ready
I
for
got the
delivery.
guy that shot that.
Alright, cool.
I got the guy, and I thought did he shoot the dog? No, he didn't.
Get him, Gabe, get him. Here, Gabe.
Where is
Get the care package.
Squad has Juggernaut Maniac.
Get the care package, Gabe.
I backed up.
SATCOM ready.
There we go. No, it's a ID.
No, it's not. It's a maniac. Go get it.
I did.
There you go. Go get him, Gabe. You gotta run around and knife people. Show Daddy. Go knife him.
Daddy, guess what, Daddy? I got a maniac.
Knife him, Gabe. Knife him. Go knife him.
Where?
Oh, the dog got him. My dog got him.
Whoa, I like a maniac. Can the maniac die?
Yep.
I don't know why they call it a maniac.
Go, you gotta run around and knife people. Run. Run as fast as you can. Just keep running and running and running. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go get him. Go get him. Just keep running and knife him. Go, go, knife him. There you go.
Yeah,
Now keep
I
running,
couldn't
keep
get
running.
him 2 times.
Keep running. Ah, there you go, bud. Go get him.
I like this guy.
Knife him. Get him. Yeah. Go get him. Go get him. Yeah.
I like the maniac. It's a really strong, nice guy. And I like the way he has a mask.
Right.
Time's almost up.
What the? Oh, wait, the maniac died.
Yeah.
I'm not a maniac anymore.
No.
I died. I died.
SATCOM
Maniac.
uplink enabled.
Me, the maniac, I died. What are you? Oh, good thing I wasn't there. Oh, Daddy!
Nice work, Ghosts. Well done.
Got him, baby. Nice job, Gabe.
Uncle Phil,
Yes, sir.
good job.
Good job.